Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you on OPPO mobile phone how to record slow motion video. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on camera. After you have been moved on camera, what you need to do is that you have to slide like this and click on more, then click on this slow motion. Then now you can record the video. Okay, suppose I just record the video like this. Okay, like this, then stop the recording and let's check the video how it is. Now let's play the video. See the video, it's too slow that I move fast but it shows it's too slow. It's moving, it's slow, right? It's very slow. Look, the way I move was so fast but it's moved so slow. If you don't believe, then you just record by yourself and check it by yourself. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.